smoking, man. I'm not smoking, I'm breathing. Name the movie. I always do this to you. You don't know the movie, do you?
Stop.
Someone comment down below. She doesn't know the movie. Anyways, guys, if you are new to the channel, we're gonna finally take Kennedy for a ride in the 2018 Mustang GT that is single turbo. So here's the thing, if you guys are new to the channel, this is my 2018 Mustang GT 5.0. It is the 10-speed automatic. It has a single turbo kit that we custom made, but however, it is not hitting full boost right now because it actually has a lot of back pressure issues. So if you aren't familiar with Coyotes, they flow a shit ton through the heads, and actually this turbo is either A, too small, or B, we've actually found out that the exhaust might be too small, or that the valve springs are actually opening up because of the back pressure issues. So, or they can't open up or something, I don't know. Anyways, it's got back pressure issues, so we actually don't have that much power. It hits like 10 pounds and then falls off to like 3 or 4, but we're gonna finally take Kennedy for a ride. I took her for a ride the other day, but we didn't film it, so I'm gonna film it for you guys so you can see her reaction. But this is our custom single turbo kit. Not many people do single turbos for the back pressure reasons, but we've got a Lethal Performance full triple fuel pump system, so it's got dual aeromotive fuel pressure regulators, got a custom oil catch can on there, 1050 ID injectors, 7675 precision T4 turbo, all custom piping by the Joseph Young, tile blow-off valve, dual tile 44mm wastegates, treadstone 1300 horsepower intercooler, stock motor, stock trans. Pretty cool, huh? Cool.
Pretty nice.
So that's my Mustang. It's got it's kind of a ghetto build right now. It's kind of a
tell us about the wheels, David.
These are none other than, actually, okay, here's the thing. These aren't even OEM Hellcat wheels. These are Hellcat reps from Kevin's car. So Kevin had sold his OEM Hellcat wheels actually a long time ago, and then we decided when we had Hellcats we wanted the stock wheels again. So we bought reps because they're really inexpensive. Plus, when you get the rep, you can actually get a wider wheel, so you have more of a patch to put down. But these are none other than OEM Hellcat replica wheels wrapped in some Mickey Thompson ET Street SS's. So I haven't got drag radials yet, and we had these sitting around at the house, so I figured why not use them. And we've got no back seat. I need to finish the wiring back there for the triple pump fuel system, but
it's nice.
And we're on still stock wheels, and I gotta adjust the bumper. But let's take Kennedy for a ride.
All right, David's gonna start her up for us. Quiet and slow. Hey, I need a ride. Hey, good looking. You need a ride?
All right, so we are back on the GoPro. We are in sport mode. Let's see what we can get into. Whoa. That turned traction control
yeah,
off.
Can't have any traction.
Zero traction. AK the button that looks for crowds.
That's right.
Also, we can't go too far because it's on C16, and well, C16 is very expensive, and I don't have any. That's all I got.
Hey, David's about to run a stop sign.
Whoops.
Slowly roll there, Jimmy.
1, 2, 3. Okay, we're good. There's a bump. Holy shit. my turn? It's my turn. Nope.
It's your turn.
Green,
It's
red,
totally
red,
green.
green. Yeah, so like I said, it's got back pressure issues, so it hits and then it falls off. So it's like fun and then boring. Fun and boring, fun and boring.
Fast and then slow.
Fast and slow. It sounds really freaking cool.
Yeah, it right in my view.
Yeah, so it makes it kind of hazy on the windshield. On your side, not on my side.
Yeah, just my side.
That was a motorcycle, not my exhaust. Although they sound very similar. Hello.
How is it?
That guy's jacket says Prospect on it.
He wants to race.
Okay, easy guy. Prospect over here. Sons of Anarchy.
Yeah. Want to go to Starbucks?
I want to get a soda. Last time the lady was telling me how her son just got his license and he wants a Mustang. And then she saw the exhaust, she's like, well, he's got to save up for that one. And I was like,
For a long time.
I could cut a hole in his hood right now if he got one. No big deal.
That's free.
That's free.
Free of charge.
Holla!
Well, I'll get a bang.
You're gonna get a bang?
Yeah.
There's one right here.
It's like a week old.
Still good.
No. Purple guava pear. Please.
Should I chug this?
No, that's disgusting.
I get a large Diet Dr. Pepper and a purple guava pear of the Bang Energy. It sounds more like a diesel or a motorcycle. Like a Harley. Or like a diesel.
It definitely does not sound like a diesel to me.
Kinda. Remember the black one yesterday with the stack on it? You don't think it sound like that?
No.
Yeah, because diesels actually have balls. This doesn't.
True.
So there's a funny meme going around today, and it's got like a picture of a car, and it says, to all the dads out there driving automatics, happy Mother's Day, insinuating that guys that drive automatics are females. So I made one, I'm gonna post it here. Ding! Of Joseph's car, and it said, to all the dads out there driving manuals, remember you still lost. It was just kind of a funny thing.
They sell C16 here?
Excuse me. Here, it's on my side. Oh, boom. Look at that. Forgot I was wearing that. Streetcar Video. The only other media people I represent.
I suck at opening these.
Oh, so you suck at banging?
That's not what you told me.
Boom! That was good. Come on. Drink it. Don't drop it. Don't drop it. Brakes are working.
If I spill it, it's in your car.
Yeah, you're right. Good thing I didn't get the premium, these cheap ass seats. Oh, shit! The Pro Charge Mustang. Oh, I forgot it's not a track car. Oh, shit. Still turns better Seriously, it is just popping the popcorn right now.
Don't burn it.
Mmm, toasty!
Let's gap this wall over here.
Seriously, I need to gap someone. Pull up! Let's find somebody. It's always when you're looking to race someone, no one wants to race.
They're all...
But then you're driving around, mind your own business, trying to do shit. People are always trying to race you. I don't get it.
It's just all these regular cars.
Regular car. This is a regular car. What are you talking about? Just got a dumbass hood exhaust on
Yeah, you're right.
it. Hey!
Completely stock, cuts hole.
Well, do you like it?
No.
What?
Yes, I love it.
Another Mustang owner. Time to flex.
I just want to drive it.
That's a negative.
Can we just switch?
Comment down below.
No, we already did your live chat. They already said yes.
Eh, you gotta say it in the actual video though. Do you think Kennedy should do a review video actually driving the car?
If I should drive the Mustang. It's not even full boost. Like, it's fine.
Full boost!
This is the right time for me to let me drive it.
Yeah, and it hooks up with these 20-inch drag radials anyways. It's fun to like cruise around. I just wish it would hit full boost and hold it. It'd be so much fun. It would be so fast! Super fast! Also, today's Mother's Day. You'll see this on Monday, but shout out to all the mothers out there. And non-mothers. Saving money for car parts right there, buddy.
That's right.
Wipe your ass with toilet paper.
You mean paper towels?
Oh yeah, paper towels.
You just missed that joke.
Oh, shit! So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You like the exhaust, right?
I love
Some
it.
people don't like it. I think it's
No,
cool. It sounds really cool.
No, before David...
Oh look, watch this. Roll up the window so you're not loud.
Before David decided where to put his exhaust, I told him, I said, I think you should put it through the hood, because no one does that. Yeah.
Only idiots like
Only
myself.
idiots, yeah. We're idiots, so
We are idiots.
it fits.
If it fits, it ships.
That's right.
So yeah, we'll do more videos like this once we can figure out the boost issue. Hopefully we get that figured out soon.
And then we're going to do a video of me driving it.
What?
Yep.
I don't think so. You hit enough cars, you don't need to hit crowds. Boom!
Okay, that was
That's how you know when you get them good, when they silent.
Yeah, silent on that one, because it's true.
Holla! So if you guys enjoyed this little review video, just thought I'd take Kennedy around in it and kind of show you guys what her thoughts are on it. It's not crazy yet. Oh, I wish it was. I need all the boost.
Soon enough.
So hopefully we are probably gonna try, I haven't talked about this yet except earlier in the video, but I think we're gonna try a bigger exhaust. I just don't know if it's worth it. Plus there's not that much room in the engine bay as it is, so, and it would have to be a 5-inch exhaust. But I did speak to someone over the weekend that made 1,000 wheel horsepower on this turbo on a Coyote. He just had valve springs and a 5-inch exhaust. I just don't know where we'd put a 5-inch exhaust, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, follow Kennedy at Kennedy McCall on Instagram. Follow me at Bambi39. And we're actually working on an Instagram page for our photos and videos.
Yes.
So that when we go to events like Streetcar Takeover, TX2K, we can just post them there instead of like blowing up our personal feeds.
Yeah, well, people always ask us where they can find our photos and everything, and we don't have just an Instagram for that. It's just Facebook, and not everyone uses Facebook.
Yep.
So we're gonna make an Instagram for Van Boris Media as well.
Yep, so if you guys are on Instagram, go find it. The Facebook page actually already has like 1,500 likes.
Yeah.
And it's because some of the TX2K videos I put together actually got a bunch of shares on there, so that was cool. So we're going to continue to grow the Facebook page, grow the Instagram page, and we're going to continue to go to car events so we can provide you guys with just our view.
All of the photos and videos.
Yeah,
that
Kennedy takes really good photos, and she's getting really good at the car ones now. So we just want to share with you guys our view of some of these events.
Yep.
And do my style of cinematography, and then Kennedy can do her style of photography. And if you guys like that stuff, then that's where you can see it all the time.
So make sure you follow us at Van Boris Media
On Instagram and Facebook.
Yes.
That's going to do it for today,